guys, I'm Liliana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful balloon garland. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. So this is the final product. I really like how it turned out. It was so easy to make also. And if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want more ideas or want me to do a specific theme or balloon garland or column, let me know in the description box down below and I'll see what I can do. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.